home baker. Yes, I make authentic Filipino breads, pastries, and other dishes since 2019. So it's a little bit before the pandemic. So my home business has grown rapidly because Filipinos are really foodies, and it has helped our finances in the family. But recently, I feel that I'm working many hours, that I have less and less time for myself and for my family. I have lots of food orders that I need to wake up really early in the morning, just like a baker does, around 3 o'clock sometimes, and finish around dinner time.
Wow.
So my kids will ask me, what's for dinner, Mom? It's bread. Anyway, so that's just sometimes. So my goal with Atomy Business is that I will have regular passive income by the end of 2025, so I can still bake and cook, but having a more balanced schedule. And this income also will help my husband work less. He's a nurse, but he's also a patient himself. He's been a dialysis patient since 2018.
Wow.
And sadly, 2 years ago, he was also diagnosed with heart failure. So I'm excited to make him work only part-time eventually, and hopefully, and eventually really make him retire early. He's now 52 and a very hardworking OR nurse still. And so my goal is to have him retire at 55.
Yeah.
Yes, he's a very good man. Okay, but right now also all of my family is back home in the Philippines. So my kids, their cousins are all back home. And they always want us to go back home, and it's very expensive. Filipinos know that. The tickets are very expensive. And also if I'm away from the kitchen, no baking, no cooking, no money, right? So with Atomy, I can also do the business on the go. And so our goal is to go back home at least once a year during school vacation or vacation from school. And so my husband also can spend time with his aging parents, and I can spend time with my aging mom. Lastly, this one is very close to my heart because there's a lot of remote areas in the Philippines who are struggling. So charity, fundraising, and outreach programs are very dear to me. Right now, I coordinate with some principals back home to help a little bit with the basic school supplies for the children, for the less fortunate students. And my goal is to help a little bit more. And because I love to cook, it will not really stop. I love to cook and bake, so my hope and my goal is to have bake shop or restaurant that will provide some feeding programs in the Philippines and also here in the US. Because my husband has been a nurse for 32 years, and I think healthcare workers are really heroes, everyday heroes. They need good fuel and good food.
Yes.
So right now, most of my clients are nurses and doctors. I can only give a little for free, but eventually with my Atomy business, I want them to have a drive-through with good food and good fuel to have them, last a good day with their shifts. They're very long shifts, they're 12-hour shifts.
Yeah.
So those are my goals with Atomy that I was really excited to share with you, and thank you for listening.
Thank you to all Tonians who have shared your dreams and